So what is your hair concern?
Falling hair, postpartum hair loss, and I'm experiencing redness in my scalp.
So let's start the scalp check.
Hi ma'am, this is your scalp ma'am. Redness po yung scalp nila ma'am. Nakikita niyo po yung mga 2, 1. Normally kasi ma'am ng hair strand natin is 2 to 3 ma'am. Yun po yung normal natin. Tapos ma'am, yan po yung maninipis. May nakikita kayo ma'am maninipis na hair. Yan ma'am yung mga pahulog. So mas maganda ma'am, pag naghuhulog siya, dapat ma'am mapalitan siya ma'am.
So kanina you were sharing your concern na parang sa hair strand nga and it looks like it was right, no? And then aside from that, your scalp does seem oily, tama
Yes
ba?
ma'am, medyo oily ma'am yung scalp ma'am. Tapos yan ma'am, pag ganyan ma'am mataba, yan yung ma'am normal. Tapos yan ma'am maninipis, yan po yung pahulog na hair natin. Mas maganda ma'am, mapapalitan siya agad. Kaya kailangan talaga ma'am ng serum po.
So do you use the hair ref serum po ba?
Not yet.